Imagine a job where after a long day's work, your family refuses to hug you when you enter your home, or even refuse to eat with you. Quite a picture, isn't it? What could be worse? Now imagine a job that could kill you within 10 minutes of starting work. Worse, isn't it? These are not different jobs that I'm talking about. Neither are these imaginary jobs. This is the reality that many manual scavengers face every day. While doing my graduation, me and my friends came to read an article that would be the birth of an idea. The article was titled Braveheart Kozhikode Auto Driver Dies After Jumping into the Sewer to Rescue Sewage Workers. The two sewage workers died as well. The newspaper heading shook all four of us, and we collectively decided that we will develop a technology that completely eliminates manual scavenging from our society. We started collecting data at the grassroots level, and what we found was shocking, much more than the article we read. 110 workers were killed last year alone while cleaning sewers, and these are just reported numbers. Manual scavenging takes one life every 5 days in our country. Manual scavenging is strictly prohibited by the Supreme Court of India and is a punishable offense. If you're thinking that these numbers are quite less, then let me tell you that the harsh reality runs deeper than these reported numbers. Manual scavengers sedate themselves with the packets of Gudkha and drink lots of cheap country liquor before entering the toxic manhole. The stench, as you can imagine, is unbearable inside the manhole. To avoid one plague, they fall prey to another substance abuse. After understanding all this, we decided that only one way to help manual scavengers was to remove the human intervention in the manhole cleaning process. All four of us quit our jobs, registered Gen Robotics Private Limited Company. And our passion towards robotics motivated us to take this project with the help of Kerala Startup Mission. We wanted to develop a robot that would go into the unseen depth of manholes, unclog them, scoop out the debris, indicate the intensity of poisonous gases in the manhole, use machine vision to work even at night, and most importantly, not take away the jobs of these manual scavengers that we wanted to help. After extensive research and development and several prototypes, we created exactly that. A robot that can work exactly like a human inside manhole. The first Bandicoot robot. I'm proud to announce that the first of its kind robot in the world for cleaning manholes without any human intervention is from India. A pure made in India innovation. Bandicoot robots completes cleaning within 20 minutes, which would take 3 hours with a 3 to 4 persons manually. With the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning with the help of Google experts, we have reduced the training time for our product. Now it takes only 2 hours to train a scavenger to make him an operator. We have installed more than 40 bandicoots across 10 Indian states and pulled out tons of sewage waste. Thousands of manual scavengers have participated in our rehabilitation program to become trained operators. We are getting high requirements to install more bandicoots across India, and we have collaborated with the BRAL, the arm of Tata Motors, to manufacture bandicoot robots in large numbers to meet the threefold rise in demand. To benefit the world at large, we have stepped foot into international markets by signing an MOU with the Dubai government. The Bandicoot robot is now also recognized by the Smart City Mission and Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. But most importantly, we have made sure that the family of manual scavengers doesn't refuse to hug them or have dinner with them when they get home. We help them to preserve their dignity, and that's our biggest achievement. Along this journey, we realized that innovation should help the lowest sections of society, where humans risk their life for 2 square meals, and I firmly believe that technology can restore the human dignity and bring social mobility. Let's together build a world free from manual scavenging. Thank you.